Hey everybody, it's Christine with Zeidman Development, and today I want to walk you through address equivalents and first name equivalents in the Razor's Edge. So the primary place where you will see these is working with criteria sets. And criteria sets are what enables ImportAcular to match the data in Razor's Edge to the data in your data source. The other place where you will see the address equivalents is in working with adding addresses into Razor's Edge. ImportAcular has area settings that allow you to match addresses to determine whether or not an address in a file is a new address or an existing address for a constituent who already exists in Razor's Edge. So the equivalents in both of these cases allow you to determine what kinds of things are the same thing. So for example, the word avenue is often abbreviated as AVE. So an address line equivalent for avenue would be AVE. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of the standard equivalents and as well as how you can adjust the equivalents or add to the equivalents as you may need to do that. So in order to access your equivalents, you're going to go to Help, and then you're going to click on About ImportAcular, and then you're going to click on Advanced. Once you've done that, you should see the drop down here that has both address line equivalent values and first name equivalent values. Let's begin with our address, and we're going to click on our setup. The restore to default, as it's named, will restore your system to the default equivalents. So when we click on our address equivalents, you can see we have here a list of our different equivalents, and you can see what is listed here. So for example, if I wanted to add the numerical hash sign as an equivalent for an address, all I have to do is type in that box. I could also open my cort and make sure that I have everything here that I want to have. I don't see anything that I would add to this. And I can check my streets, so west, my directions. I can check that. Now, if there's something you want to add, all you have to do is click the green circle and type in here what you want to add. Similarly, if there's something that you've added or something here that's been added that you don't want, you can just click on the red circle and you can remove that equivalent. Let's go ahead and close our address equivalents and take a quick look at our name equivalents. So we're going to open our name equivalents the same as we opened our address equivalents. And you can see here we have a list of names, and then we have some standard nicknames and different abbreviations. So for Alexander, we have Alexander, Alex, and Al. For Amanda, we have Amanda and we have Mandy. For Deborah, we have Deborah, Debbie, Deb, Deborah, different spelling. So you can add to this. If you notice that you have a lot of people in your constituent base that have the same name and a similar nickname, you can obviously change that and add it and make sure that they work together. These equivalents, as I said, do allow you to do a little bit more matching with ImportAcular in those criteria sets. So that way, if the form is filled out with the nickname of Deb, but the constituent is in Razor's Edge as Deborah with a nickname of Deb, this would still help you match that constituent using those criteria sets. I hope that this is helpful for you as you think about how to use these equivalents and how to change them if they don't match your data structure. Thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great day.